Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the most thorough and honest product comparisons on the internet. Today, we've got a robot showdown that's more epic than a sci-fi movie. On one side, we have the HONITURE G20, a vacuum and mop combo that promises to turn your floors into a spotless paradise. And on the other side, the Tikom Robot Vacuum, a vacuum with more features than your smartphone. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk money. The HONITURE G20 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. Meanwhile, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is flexing with a price tag of $399. That's right, folks, for the price of one Tikom, you could almost get two HONITUREs. So if you're looking to save some cash, the G20 might be your new best friend. Next, let's talk about suction power. The HONITURE G20 boasts a whopping 4,000 pascals, thanks to its Japanese NIDEC motor. Reviewers have praised its effectiveness in picking up dog hair and maintaining quiet operation. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum offers 3,000 pascals of suction, which is still impressive but feels like it's trying to play catch-up. HONITURE wins this round with the suction power of a black hole. Now, let's see how these robots navigate your home. The HONITURE G20 uses an intelligent gyroscope navigation system. It's like having a tiny GPS in your vacuum. Reviewers appreciate its ability to navigate different floor types and handle pet hair effectively. The Tikom Robot Vacuum, however, takes it up a notch with 360 degrees LiDAR navigation. It can map your home faster than you can say, "Where did I leave my keys?" Plus, it stores up to 5 maps, perfect for multi-floor homes. Reviewers love its advanced navigation and ease of use. Tikom takes the cake here. Both vacuums come with multiple cleaning modes. The HONITURE G20 offers zigzag, fixed point, edge, and random. Reviewers find it fantastic for its smart mapping cleaning pattern and ease of use. Tikom Robot Vacuum, on the other hand, offers sweeping and mopping modes with 3-level water output. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. And let's not forget, Tikom has 14 no-go zones and 20 virtual walls. It's like having your own personal bouncer for your vacuum. Tikom wins this round hands down. Battery life is crucial because no one wants their vacuum to die in the middle of a cleaning spree. Both the HONITURE G20 and the Tikom Robot Vacuum offer 150 minutes of runtime. But here's the kicker. Tikom will automatically recharge and resume cleaning right where it left off. It's like the Energizer Bunny, but smarter. Reviewers love this feature for its convenience. Tikom takes this round too. Last but not least, let's talk control. The HONITURE G20 can be controlled via mobile app, remote control, and voice commands through Alexa. Reviewers appreciate its seamless pairing with Amazon Alexa and scheduling features. The Tikom Robot Vacuum, however, also offers app and voice control, but adds the Tuya Smart app into the mix. It's like having your own personal assistant for your vacuum. Both are pretty versatile, but Tikom edges out with more control features. Overall, both the HONITURE G20 and Tikom Robot Vacuum have received positive reviews. HONITURE G20 is praised for its powerful suction, quiet operation, and affordability. It's especially loved by pet owners. Tikom Robot Vacuum, on the other hand, is lauded for its advanced features, smart navigation, and ease of use. It's a bit more expensive, but offers a range of high-tech functionalities that justify the price. So what's the final verdict? If you're on a budget and want a vacuum with super suction power, the HONITURE G20 is your go-to. But if you're looking for a high-tech cleaning machine with all the bells and whistles, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is your best bet. Either way, you're gonna have the cleanest floors in town. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart.